Hello, I am Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Dr. Che. In this video, we will discuss English vocabulary specifically for IELTS and TOEFL students and in general for any student who want to learn English. Today's topic is art and this is video number 3. Please look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Please subscribe, like and comment to encourage me, share to help others, and subscribe and press the bell icon for free courses on all of these topics: grammar, speaking, listening, reading, all of these. So as you know, I have covered more than 27 common topics in my this course that are common in IELTS and TOEFL and in real life also. And we are at topic number 1, and to watch the complete course, open playlist of my channel and link is given in the description. So craftsmanship, you can see this spelling is very important. Here is S, not without S. Craftsmanship, no, craftsmanship, it is with S. It means skill of making beautiful things with hand, not with machine, with hand. Canadian canoes, you know what is meaning of canoes? The boat. These are boat. They are narrow-ended, and these are long and narrow-ended. You can Google it if you don't know. Canadian canoes are well known for their style and craftsmanship. Okay, the craftsmanship of the Titanic was superb. Instead of saying Titanic was beautiful, or art of Titanic was good, something like that. The craftsmanship of Titanic was superb. Superb is very high level, also high level vocabulary instead of good and something like that. Next word is festival. Festival is a noun. Festival is a noun, and its collocations are a religious festival or film or types. Its types are religious festival it can be a musical or film festival. It means an organized series of special events. If it is religious, example is the Hindu festival of Diwali, or it can be Jewish festival, or it can be a music or a film festival. The festival the festival of Diwali attracts thousands of visitors every year. Our university organizes a pop festival in March. Okay, exhibition, you know which part of speech it is? Noun. Good. And its verb form is exhibit. Exhibit, ing form is exhibiting, and past participle is exhibited. It means an event at which objects such as paintings, sculptures, or other works of art are displayed at a museum, not in a museum, at a museum or at an art gallery. Okay, collocations, that words that come naturally with exhibition, these are collocations. Means to hold or to organize an exhibition. Our local council organized or holded an exhibition, or there is some exhibition of an exhibition of something, or you can say something is on exhibition, something to be on exhibition, to be displayed in exhibition. Example sentences. So vary your language. At some point use noun, and at other point use the verb form to vary your language to get high bands. At the All the latest paintings by Lee are on exhibition over the weekend. Other example is the local council organized a big exhibition of her artworks in the National Museum. The local council organized a big exhibition of her artworks in the National Museum. Okay, here it is noun or verb? Noun, very good, and this is also noun. The sculptures of a world renowned, as I say, instead of using famous, you can use other words, synonyms. One of them is world renowned. The sculptures of a world renowned African artist were exhibited in the galleries of the developed countries. Exhibited here is a noun or verb? Oh, verb. Okay, okay. Sculpture, a very common word and high level word to describe works of art. Sculpture. Sculpture is a three-dimensional work of art. Three-dimensional work of art, not a picture, as I think I told in here in one video, not a picture. It can be a three-dimensional work of art to form an image from solid objects, for example from wood or from stone. Okay, and its plural form is sculptures. Plural form is sculptures. Example sentences: a contemporary sculpture will be on display at John's Gallery over the weekend. Will be on display. This is collocation. Something will be on display. And contemporary. Contemporary is also a good adjective. It means something of these days, something of modern days. Okay, contemporary, you can say contemporary music, contemporary media. Okay, something like that. Other sentences: in some countries it is mandatory to study all the masterpieces of classical antiquity before creating a sculpture. Okay, masterpiece is a very good word. Mandatory, you can say mandatory, obligatory. Okay, and classical antiquity I will explain later on in another video. Archaeology. What is problem with archaeology? It is noun, you know, it is noun, but problem is the spelling here. This archaeology, and this archaeologist. Archaeologist is a scientist who works in archaeology. It means study of human history through excavation, or digging, excavation of sites by analyzing the artifacts and remains. Artifacts I will explain later on what is artifacts and remains. Example sentences: in March 2018, archaeologists were able to discover the world's oldest mummy in the pyramids of Egypt. Okay, so please look at description box for updates, link to my Facebook group, like, comment and share with other. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more courses on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Thank you very much.